Hi, Kai.
Hey everyone. So in today's class, we're going to be learning about what, EJ?
Clock.
Yes, we're going to be learning about the clock.
Clock.
And so, before we get started with our class, let's do our daily routine, spelling our names. Let's spell out EJ's first name. Okay.
Hi, guys.
Let's spell out EJ's first name. What is EJ's first name? Edward.
Oh,
Edward. Okay. So let's spell it out.
no.
E.
E. E. E. E. E.
D.
E.
W.
Do.
A.
A.
R.
O.
Hold the board, EJ. Can you hold it right, please?
What? E.
D.
E.
Okay, so spell your name, EJ.
E.
Uh-huh.
Wait.
Uh-huh. What letter is that?
E. D.
What letter is that one?
Do.
Uh-huh.
Equal.
Uh-huh.
Well.
R.
O. D.
D. Good job. Okay. So, let's get back to the clock.
Uh-oh.
Show them the clock. Okay. That's our clock. And so, let's show them which hand and which other hand is the small hand and which one is the big hand. Okay. So, is the hour hand small or big?
Small.
Show me the small one. Good job. Is the minute hand big or small?
Help.
Show me. The minute hand.
Big?
Yeah. Okay. Good job. Yes.
To play.
Okay. Now we're going to stick them on the clock, okay? All right. So let's stick the minute hand. Let's stick the minute hand on 12. Okay, EJ. Yes, that's 12. So we're sticking the minute hand on 12. Okay. Now put the hour hand at 1 o'clock. Where's 1? Good job. So put the hour hand at 1 o'clock. Good job. Okay. Now I want you to move the hour hand to 4 o'clock. So move the hour hand to 4 o'clock.
Oh, yeah. This?
Yes.
I'm gonna try again.
Okay.
No.
All right, that's 4 o'clock. Now, let's move the hour hand to 8 o'clock. So let's move it to 8 o'clock, EJ. Where is the number 8? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So move the hour hand. So move the hour hand to 8 o'clock. Turn it around, please. Okay, yes. This is 8 o'clock. So, EJ, when you're moving the hour hand, does the minute hand move or does it stay still? EJ? I need you to pay attention, please. EJ, I'm asking you a question.
No move.
I'm asking you a question.
No. No, a day. Day.
It stays. Okay, yes. The minute hand stays still. It doesn't move when the hour hand is moving.
No move.
Yeah. So the minute hand stays here at 12. Because 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And that's what the big hand is for. Minutes. That's why it's called a minute hand.
Beep, beep, boop. Beep, boop,
Okay.
beep.
So, EJ, move the hour hand to 12 o'clock. Okay, EJ, so move the hour hand to 12 o'clock. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, move the hour hand to 12 o'clock. Okay. 12 o'clock. Good job. Well, this was easy. We learned what the hour hand... Well, this was easy. We learned what the hour hand is. And we learned what the... Well, this was easy. We got to learn what the hour hand looks like.
Our hand?
And what the minute hand looks like.
Minute hand? Our hand.
Yes, minute hand, hour hand.
Minute hand.
The minute hand is the long hand.
No.
The hour hand is the small hand.
More big hand.
Okay, good job. Alrighty, kids. Whenever you see a clock at home, now you can tell what hour it is.
Ow, 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 ow,
Just remember to always practice your numbers. Let's count the numbers on the clock one more time. Alright, so let's count the numbers on the clock one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And always remember, the minute hand stays at 12. It does not move. The hour hand does move. It goes around the clock. Okay, we're back. That wasn't so hard, was it?
No.
No, it was easy. Okay, well, this ends our class for today.
Wow.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
A day.
Okay.